In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the breakout stocks for intraday in Chartink. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this, and both of them are going to be super simple. The first one is going to be using pre-built breakout screeners. So to do this, you want to go to screens up top, so just click on the button, nothing else. And here you can find different screens or scans, and you can go and search for them, the public ones as well. So just go in here, and from here you can look for something like different templates over here. For example, I'm going to type in intraday breakout and see if something pops up. I'm going to press enter. And there we go. As you can see, we have like the intraday breakout. There's going to be a bunch of different ones from different people. I'm going to click on the first one, and I'm going to see all the filters they have in here. There we go. There's going to be a bunch. You can edit them. You can click on them to change them, etc. You can add them with AI up top as well. Or you could go down here and see what the stocks currently are. Okay, so these over here, of course, are going to kind of give you an idea on how to find the breakout stocks for intraday in Chartink using these screens. You can then go back and search for anything else as well. For example, you could do like intraday breakout with volume. Let's see if that pops up as well. If it exists, there we go, they do. You can then look at all of these and kind of get the rough idea. You could go and do something like first, maybe like 15-minute candle breakout or something like that. That's also going to be something. And there's going to be a bunch of different ones. Just search through these and see if anything fits your needs. But if it doesn't, you can also go and create a custom intraday breakout scan. So we're going to do this. I'm going to go to screens, create a scan, and we're going to create a new one which is going to be custom built for our own need. Okay, so we're going to go to here, and you can go and do this manually by clicking the plus button and then manually adding in filters. You could go and add in like conditions like close and highs, volumes, latest volumes, RSIs, etc. But we're just going to use this AI over here to actually do it itself. We're just going to explain this with simple language. So what I'm going to type in here is going to be intraday breakout with volume, for example. I'm going to press this generate button, and it's going to generate a filter, put it down here, and when you hit the run scan button, it's going to run the scan and show exactly all the stocks that fit your filter. Now, if you're not sure what this does, hover over it, click on the explain button. It's going to prepare the explanation and explain exactly what this actual filter does. If it's something you want, then that's great. If it's not, you could always go and delete it, create a new one, or manually add something in here, or use the public available ones I showed you in the first part of the video. So that's essentially kind of the best way to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.